Welcome to Beautyistic, where your beauty journey gets an expert touch. Now, if you're someone who struggles with tired, dull skin and you're looking for a quick, effective way to refresh your complexion, stay tuned. Today, we're talking about Nykaa Naturals Skin Secrets Bubble Sheet Mask, infused with the goodness of matcha tea and chamomile. This sheet mask claims to cleanse, soothe, and leave your skin feeling fresh. But does it really work? Let's find out. The Nykaa Naturals Skin Secrets Bubble Sheet Mask is designed to be a quick, convenient solution for nourished, hydrated skin. The active ingredients, matcha tea and chamomile, promise to offer both protective and soothing benefits to the skin. Matcha, known for its antioxidant properties, helps protect your skin from impurities while improving hydration and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Chamomile, on the other hand, is famous for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, perfect for calming irritated skin and leaving it feeling softer. The mask itself comes in a simple, easy-to-use sheet format, with a lightweight texture that adheres comfortably to the skin. I found that it fits well, covering most of the face, and it bubbles up quickly once applied. After a few minutes of use, you start to feel that tingling sensation that lets you know it's working. And trust me, it feels kind of like a mini facial. Now let's talk about performance. In terms of real-world use, this mask was super easy to incorporate into my evening skincare routine. After cleansing, I applied the mask and left it on for the recommended time. The bubble effect is not only fun, but also helps to deeply cleanse the pores. Once I removed the mask, I was left with a visibly refreshed complexion, and my skin felt hydrated without any sticky residue. What stood out the most was how much brighter and more even my skin looked. No more dullness here. There are definitely some pros with this product. First, the scent. It's subtle and pleasant, not overpowering, which I really appreciated. The mask is incredibly easy to use, and it's a great option for those who are short on time but still want a spa-like experience at home. Plus, the skin feels noticeably smoother and more hydrated right after use. If you're looking for something that helps with puffiness and redness, I can see this mask making a difference. However, there are a few cons to consider. While it does hydrate and brighten, the results aren't permanent. You'll need to incorporate this into a regular routine to maintain the effects. Also, for those with sensitive skin, I recommend doing a patch test, as the active ingredients might cause irritation for some people, especially if you have a sensitivity to fragrance or other extracts. When it comes to value for money, this mask falls in a mid-range price category. For its hydrating and soothing benefits, I think it offers decent value. However, I've seen similar sheet masks with comparable ingredients that are priced a little lower. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you might want to check out other natural sheet masks on the market, though none may offer the same precise formulation as Nykaa's. So where does this mask stand compared to others? Well, I'd say it sits comfortably in the mid-tier for sheet masks. Some masks may do a better job at targeting deeper concerns like wrinkles or dark spots, but for a quick pick-me-up that's easy to use, this one's great. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. It's easy to store, and the sheet is made of a decent material that doesn't tear easily during use. As for longevity, the effects of the mask are immediate. Your skin will feel soft and plump right away. However, long-term results will depend on how often you use it. If you're looking for a hydrating mask that's gentle and gives your skin a fresh, clean feeling, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for those who need a quick, effective skincare boost after a long day or when your skin needs a little extra TLC. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments below. As for customer support, I found Nykaa to be fairly responsive with inquiries. They have a good reputation for customer service, especially for returns and product inquiries. In terms of alternatives, there are cheaper sheet masks on the market that offer similar benefits, like the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm, which is hydrating and easy to find. But if you're specifically after the matcha and chamomile combo, this one's pretty unique in that aspect. To sum it up, Nykaa Naturals Skin Secrets Bubble Sheet Mask is a good option for anyone looking to hydrate and brighten their skin in a quick, fun, and easy way. It's especially great for those with normal to dry skin looking for a pick-me-up. However, if you're after long-term results or more intense anti-aging effects, you may want to explore other options. Thanks for tuning into Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you next time.